Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Boogie Bot from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a large curve at the top of the page. Now from the sides, let's angle it down. Then from the bottom, let's curve it inwards. And now let's close off the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's follow that same shape and add a border inside. Okay, now let's add the eyes inside. On the left side, let's draw a long, rounded rectangle. Next, let's draw the right eye. Let's start with a curve here like this. Then from the inside, we're going to curve it down and over to the corner. Next, let's add some details to the head. On the top here, let's draw two lines. Now on the left side of the head, let's draw a curve here. And let's do the same thing on the right. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start underneath by drawing two lines for the neck. Now underneath the neck, let's draw a curve across for the top of the body. Now curves down for the sides. Then from the bottom, let's bring it in, stopping here, leaving a gap in the center. Now from both sides, we're going to angle it down and in, and then close off the bottom with the curve across. Next, let's add some details inside the body. Let's start at the top and we're going to draw a circle in the center here. Now let's move below the circle. From the sides, let's draw two curves in. Then let's bring it down, and then a curve across the bottom. Next, in the center, let's draw two lines down. And then let's curve it out to the sides. And lastly, let's draw a line across the bottom section. And that's it for the body. Let's draw the arms next. On the top left, let's draw the shoulder piece with a rounded rectangle on an angle here. And let's do the same thing on the right. Now inside each one, let's draw a border on the outside. Okay, let's draw the arms now, starting with the left side. Let's draw two angled lines out and up. Then at the end, let's draw a curve here, leaving it open at the end. Next, across the end, let's draw another curve that's a little bit longer. Now let's draw two curves down and out like this. And then let's close off the end. Next, inside, let's draw a curve across the middle here. And then I'm going to add a rectangle shape at the top. So let's draw two lines down and then a line across the bottom. Next, let's add the pincers or the fingers at the end. At the bottom, let's draw a curve and then another one underneath and connect them at the end. Now for the one above it, we're going to curve it over and down, bring it in, back up, connecting it to the top, and then one curve underneath. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's draw the right side. Let's start next to the shoulder and we're going to draw two curves out. Then a C-shaped curve at the end. Next, let's draw another curve on the end that's slightly longer, like this. Now let's bring it up and out with two curves. Now let's close off the end with a curve like this. Next, let's add the same details inside. So we're going to draw a line across the center here, and then a rectangle shape at the top. Next, let's draw the top of the hand. Let's start by drawing the pincers. So let's draw an angled line here, and then two curves up on either side. And then close it off at the top. And then inside this one, let's add a border on the left side. Now let's draw another pincer underneath here in the same way. Now let's close off the hand. From the sides, let's curve it up, behind, and back around like this. And lastly, inside, let's draw one more curve. And that's it for the arms. Let's draw the legs next. Let's move under the body and let's draw a curve here on the left and the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom, let's draw two angled lines down and the same thing on the right side. Now at the bottom here, let's draw a long curve down and the same thing on the right. Now let's do the same thing on the outside. Now let's connect the top and the bottoms. Next, inside, let's draw a line across near the top here. Then in the top section, let's draw two lines across on either side. And then on both bottom sections, let's draw four curves. And that's it for Boogie Bot. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!